Today we're going to try these Brazilian tomatoes. Impress Brasileira. Tomate super Armande Gaucho Maca. These Brazilian tomatoes. The seeds been in one of my little fridges for about a year, so I don't know if they're going to germinate or not. It looks like this. Brasileiro right thing. Let's see what these tomatoes look like. Let's make a few little dips. We're going to plant 2 rows of Brazilian tomatoes if we have enough seed. Maybe we can do it in 1 row because we don't even know if they're going to germinate. Why waste 2 rows, no? I don't know what this is. I don't see how many seeds we got here. No idea. There's lots in here. Oh, there is lots in here. My goodness. My goodness, it will be 2 rows. I think I'm dropping 2 seeds in each hole. Not intentionally, but just falling. I don't know if you guys can even see this. Now I'm dropping them on the ground. Hopefully I can recover that because these seeds are really hard to come by here. I don't see it down there. These old eyes. I think I'm going to have to do, I don't know, or 2. Maybe we'd do 4 rolls of Brazilian tomato. Maybe they can still be split up if they double or triple germinate, whatever they're going to do. I'm gonna save the rest of these because if they do germinate, then I'm gonna plant another tray. Looks like interesting tomatoes. Let's go back in the fridge and just push down over the top of the seeds here. Soil. It's already nice and moist. So if they don't germinate, we wasted half a tray, but that's okay. We can replant something else later. I'm fine with that. I'm just fine and dandy with that. Get that stick out of there, and we're ready to germinate. Okay, then we'll get this other half ready for the Vietnamese honey peppers. I noticed that a lot of these don't germinate, so I think I'm going to put four holes in each one. I don't know what that is. lots of seeds in here. You only get a 50% or less germination and a much better chance of getting a whole tree. Wow yourself. Wow yourself, chickie. Okay, now we'll get Vietnamese peppers. Not mosquitoes today. It rained a little bit and really brought the mosquitoes in. Put this on this side and oh, got the peppers in there. That thing is full. These are hot ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1. Yourself. Yourself, chickie. Silly birds. You guys probably want to see my birds, so I'm going to take you in and introduce you. Thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe. You want to see my birds. I'll show you from here what I'm doing. Just getting at least one seed in each hole. I'm gonna get some more seeds. Next sack of seeds, please. Wrap. Yeah, these are the Canai hot Vietnamese peppers. Did you say Opa? Did you say Opa? Hello. Hello. Hello, everybody. Papa, where's my papa? Silly birds. Silly willy birds. Okay, a little break to see my bird. Let them get their seeds pushed in the ground. Come, birds. Make sure you close this door. We got a double door entry here, so we don't lose any birds. This is Blue, and Blue loves scratchy, Blue. Scratchy. Good boy, Blue. Scratchy. This one here is jealous. She bites my head. Here's scratchy. One scratchy too. Scratchy. One scratchy, Lee. Scratchy. One scratchy. Laura. Hi, buddy. You want to step up to Papa? Come step up to Papa, buddy. Step up to Papa. No biting, Papa. No biting. Come step up to Papa. You want to go outside? Want to come outside? You want to step up to Papa? Hey, you want to step up to Papa? No biting, no biting. Step up, step up, step up. Good girl. Ow. Ow. Yeah, that hurts. Ow. 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 Okay, step up, step up. Step back up. Hello, girls over there. Come, Chicky. Come, Lee. Hello. Ow! Don't bite my eye. Don't bite my eye. So jealous. Okay, bye, Blue. Scratchy, scratchy, Blue. Bye. Scratchy, scratchy. That's my bird sanctuary. Hello. One of the sanctuaries. And get these peppers buried and properly marked. And we'll see what our germination rate is. Oh, wow. Wow, guys. Everybody hears you talking all the time. Nobody saw you till today. Hello. Hello. Okay, these guys underground. The last few here. Okay, and we're going to remark this with pepper. These are no longer button flowers. Pepper, that side is the Brazilian tomato.